That shit tastes like garbage, bro. There ain't nothing.
Hey, why don't you mix that up for us real quick? Just mix it up real good. Yeah. How to work out at home?
501, 502, 503.
Scare cam. Ah!
Dick!
This is how we chat roulette.
Hey, have you seen Mean Girls? You can't sit with us!
Reckless drivers be like,
I don't know how to ride it.
I don't know how to drive that now. This is how crippled people bowl. I'm gonna bring that bike over here and be like, this seemed like fun. Hey Lucas, take a picture with me. Come here. How to catch someone off guard. Katie, think fast.
Oh my god!
Hello?
I thought you were going to the gym.
Saturday night and I got no plans. I'ma stay at home and do the baking dance. Mookie's so precious, I wanna murder him. Brides to be like, chug it!
No, you should.
And she's dead.
You should have her fall.
Ever feel alone while driving? Try this. Anger management hotline, please hold.
Hey, motherfucker! It's just one of those days!
Oh wow, you really are blind.
Yeah, I'm aware of that. Spending quality time with friends. But these Nikes, though. Victims of homicide be like. Yes, my name is Mookie and I eat peanut butter with my teeth.
They call me a racist, but I beg to differ.
Are you okay? Oh my gosh!
Hey Sarah, I'm gonna kill you with this tiny fork.
I'm having coffee.
Just gonna watch one episode before I go to bed. What day is it? Thank you for clarifying that that was to go. In drive-thru.
It's raining.
Oh, you're so Captain Obvious there. Shut up, Lucas. You know, I'm just sick of it. All you ever do is just sleep and sleep. And sleep and sleep and sleep and sleep.
Just going to a kid's birthday party.
5 minutes later. Selfies. Hey, Alec, take a picture with me. Hey, Emily, did you know that it's National Cat Day?
What?
Yeah.
When you come to Walmart for one thing.
But these Nikes, though.
Gretchen, stop trying to make fetch happen. It's not going to happen.
He's literally never trying to make fetch happen. They say all dogs are scared of vacuums. Well, I beg to differ. He just really like he loves me so much. Sure. Mookie, get it. Mookie, you're so cute. I want to take all your teeth and then shove them down your throat and have you choke on them. Hey, Mookie. Wake up. He found his Spanish bed. Mom, will you just pick the lice out of our hair, please?
Please. Oh, you are horrible.
To play a little game called Really Fast. All right, stop it. Oh God!
I got my eyes on you. You're everything that I see.
How to Catch Someone Off Guard, Part 3. Hey, Lucas, think fast. Dick.
I only miss you when I'm breathing.
Oh, the beach is so nice and peaceful. Oh, why? No, why? Ding 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 ding. How to be annoying at Walmart. But these Nikes, though! Oh, yeah. This is 2004, and, you want your phone back. Alright. I just feel great after a good run. I don't normally push babe. Victims of homicide be like. Stoners be like. Why won't the sunroof roll up? Why is it broken? Go.
No, say something funny for Vine.
Get a job.
Hair.
Oh.
In!
I'm gonna throw this adorably tiny pickle at Katie.
Sounds like personal problem.
Not the hot surface.
Mom! Emily, take a picture with me.
You're gonna hit me? No!
Just let me hit you! Sometimes you drink and you can't remember where you left your car. Katie, your face is so scary. Dead people be like. Hey Katie, think fast. Scare Cam 2013! Trust fall.
So good.
Mom!
What are you doing that for?
Is that I can't jelly my dick down your throat.
Hey Seagull, why you sleeping? Why? You're a seagull, not a beach gull. Go away! Clean up, everybody, everywhere. What the hell? I don't like being told what to do, you bunch of bird jerks! Just enjoying the nice weather today at the Oregon coast. Just, Katie's not really enjoying it. Victims of homicide be like, I'm gonna kill you now. Who put tape on the remote? Now what am I gonna do while I watch TV?
Look for the girl who likes the girl lot. Ask her if she wants to.
Laugh like that one more time! Just going to a birthday party. 5 minutes later. What the hell? Katie, wake up!
You're such an asshole.
Y'all gonna make me lose my mind up in here, and here, and here.